If you're still manually SSHing into every server, you're not just wasting time, you're managing technical debt that will eventually break everything. One human error, one forgotten config, and your infrastructure is a house of cards. Today, we're ending the manual era. We're covering the 4 pillars of Ansible to help you automate everything and finally get some sleep. Before we dive in, what is Ansible? It's an open-source automation engine that makes your infrastructure predictable, scalable, and secure. We are going to break it down into 4 core concepts that everyone looking to automate config should know: inventories, tasks, roles, and the magic of idempotency. This mental model will shift your perspective on server management from babysitting to orchestrating. We'll also look at why agentless architecture is the secret to Ansible's simplicity, meaning you don't need to install any custom software on your managed nodes for Ansible to work. It just needs Python and talks over SSH, making it lightweight and incredibly secure for any environment. It all starts with the inventory. Instead of tracking servers in a messy spreadsheet or a known hosts file, we define them as code. These are simple INI or YAML files that group your machines, like web, DB, or production. This is your source of truth. Here's why groups matter. When your web servers need Nginx and database servers need PostgreSQL, groups let you target exactly the right machines. Host variables set per machine config, like a custom port or SSH user, while group variables apply shared settings across every host in that group. This layered variable system is what makes one playbook flexible enough to handle your entire infrastructure. For cloud environments where servers spin up and down constantly, dynamic inventory is the answer. Built-in plugins for AWS, Azure, and GCP query the cloud API at runtime and return your current server list automatically, grouping instances by tags, regions, or instance type with 0 manual updates. Your inventory always reflects reality. A well-structured inventory, whether static or dynamic, is the foundation that all your automation builds on. Next, the playbook. This is where you write the instructions: install Nginx, copy this config, restart the service. In Ansible, these are called tasks. A playbook is a YAML file made up of 1 or more plays. Each play targets a group from your inventory and runs its list of tasks against those hosts, top to bottom, in order. Built-in modules like apt, copy, and service do the heavy lifting, so you almost never have to write raw shell commands. Handlers are one of the most elegant features in a playbook. When a task changes something, say, you update an Nginx config file, it notifies a handler that restarts the service. That handler only fires if the change actually happened. Run the playbook again on an already configured server, and the handler is completely skipped. No unnecessary service restarts, just precise, event-driven execution. Conditionals let you skip tasks based on facts. Use when Ansible OS family == Ubuntu to only run a task on Ubuntu hosts. Loops repeat a task across a list, install 5 packages, create 10 users with a single task definition. Blocks group related tasks together and add error handling, essentially try-catch for your infrastructure. These 3 features cover the vast majority of real-world automation scenarios. As your infrastructure grows, single playbooks become unmanageable. That's where roles come in. Think of them as packages for your automation, everything needed to set up a component: tasks, variables, templates, and files bundled together. The standard directory structure includes tasks, handlers, templates, files, vars, defaults, and meta, each containing a main.yml file. This structure makes your automation reusable and clean across any project. Ansible Galaxy provides community-supported roles, saving you time from reinventing the wheel for common tasks like setting up database clusters or monitoring agents. Customizing roles by overriding default variables makes a single role work for multiple deployment scenarios with ease. Finally, the secret sauce: idempotency, a fancy word for don't do it again if it's already done. Ansible modules work by declaring a desired state, not executing steps blindly. You don't say run apt install Nginx, you say Nginx should be present. The module checks the current state first. If Nginx is already installed, it reports OK and moves on. If not, it installs it and reports CHANGED. Run the playbook 10 times on the same server, 9 OKs and 1 changed on the very first run. Most built-in modules, apt, service, copy, file, user, are idempotent by design. The state parameter is how you declare intent. State equals present means ensure it exists. State equals absent means ensure it's removed. State equals started means ensure the service is running. For shell commands, which aren't naturally idempotent. The creates parameter tells Ansible to skip the task if a specific file already exists, making any custom command safe to rerun. The demo coming up shows all of this in a live terminal. Let's put it all together. A complete playbook configures a web server from scratch. Watch as it installs Nginx, sets permissions, and handles configuration. Then we'll run it again to show exactly what idempotency looks like in a real live terminal. Ansible only makes changes when the system state differs from the playbook's desired state, providing a clear audit log of every operation. Verbose mode with -v inspects what Ansible is doing under the hood, while a simulated broken configuration file shows how Ansible detects and fixes it, demonstrating self-healing infrastructure in action. Now that you understand the pillars, how do you get started? Start with one small, repetitive task, installing a package or creating a user, convert it to Ansible, and run it. Once it works, add another role, then another. Eventually, your whole infrastructure is code. A few practices make this sustainable. Version control every playbook with Git, treating infrastructure changes exactly like code changes. Use the check flag before touching production. Ansible reports every change it would make without making a single one. And when your team grows beyond one person, a Ansible automation platform and AWX ad scheduling, credential vaults, and role-based access control so your entire team can contribute safely. Before we go, the Ansible community is one of its greatest assets. Ansible Galaxy at galaxy.ansible.com has thousands of community-contributed roles ready to install with one command. Ansible Galaxy role install, followed by the role name. Roles for common setups, database clusters, security hardening, monitoring agents are already built and tested. Hit a tricky YAML error or an architecture question. The official Ansible forums have answers from engineers who have solved the exact same problems. And once you have built a role worth sharing, publishing it to Galaxy takes minutes. The link is in the description. You are never working alone. Manual SSH is for people who like fires. Automation is for people who like sleep. You now have the mental model for the 4 pillars of Ansible. Start small, convert one manual task today, and keep building from there. Subscribe if you're ready to stop babysitting your servers, and check the description for documentation before getting started.